wasted a lot of time sitting down here by this lake. A lot of things.
Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. In today's test drive, we got a 1968 Pontiac Firebird. This one came back a 400 under the hood with power steering, power brakes, and upgraded chrome accessories. Pretty clean up under here. Aluminum radiator, which is oversized. Shouldn't have any cooling issues here. And of course, we're going to be taking it down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know what you're getting before you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. That helps me out. Keeps me doing these videos for you. You can also share this video. That'll also help quite a bit. Or you can go to maplemotors.com, look at our financing, shipping, detailed pictures, which we have 100 of pretty much every car on the lot. And the rest of it is going to be told throughout the videos. Chips, scratches, rust, dents, driving issues, whatever it is, you'll know about it. So, sit back, relax, because it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Let's look around the interior on this one before we leave. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We got B&M shifter on the floor, with the bucket seats, nice carpet. Back seat's in good shape. Your package tray is nice and clean. Your headliner in this one also looks good. Lights working. Across the dash, it's also in good shape. Start her up. Motor sounds pretty good. Radio's working. Blower motor. I don't think it's doing anything. Wipers work. Turn signals. Left side's blinking. Right side is blinking. Gas gauge is up halfway. Showing 15,000 miles on the dash. Let's see if I can block that so you can see it better. And of course, I can't stand by mileage in a 1968 model. It's too hard to prove. Did you place your bets on the horn? Works all the way around. Let's hit the road, see how she runs and drives. All right, seatbelts are fairly new. They look pretty good. Let's roll out of here. Drive now. Clean the windshield a little bit more. Some glue up here. Send her back to detail. Let's roll. The gas gauge is flexing on the dash. It's working. Straight as an arrow down the road there. Tight steering. Kick down's hooked up. It feels pretty good. Hitting the brakes, because I need them now. Nice. Throttle response is quick. So far, so good. This thing runs well. Got plenty of pickup and go. Suspension, nice and smooth. Hitting these bumps and stuff on the bridge over here, it's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and pull in this parking lot here. We'll find a little bit of shade, get some undercarriage shots. We'll also do a full-blown walk around at the end of this video. Look below in the description. Check out some of the gear that we got for sale. You can also see all the details about this car and, of course, how I make the videos with the equipment that I use. I'll be right back. Let's get some outside shots. All right, let's roll out of here. So far, so good. May have to jump out and double check. I just did the walk around on this car and I had the hood open. I want to make sure it's shut all the way before we leave here. Before I lose a hood. It looks like it. Good deal. Hop off in here, give y'all a look, and we're ready to go. Mirror's just a hair loose. Needs to be tightened up. Hopefully it peels the tires. A little bit squeaky on the brakes. And of course, I'm right around the corner from the car lot, so what we're gonna do next is go over to picking out the flaws. That's where I'm walking around this ride looking for chips, scratches, anything I can find. You can also look at 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, and I'll see you here in a second. Thank you. All right, picking out the flaws. Here we go. Coming around the front end, the bumper's got light scuffs and scratches on it. On this lower portion here. Little spots there. Down this side, a couple bubbles. Little specks back here. That tire there kicking up rocks. Back here midsection. A little bit of pitting on your door handle there. Dirt. Front windshield on this one looks great. Trim looks good. Chrome's good on this mirror. Vinyl top on this one is not in bad shape. Got some bubbles popping up by the trim around the back window. Vinyl looks good. Oh, got some bubbles up here. Probably a little bit of rust up under the top there. Back bumper on this one's in good shape. Weather stripping looks good. Jam looks good. Trunk, pretty clean. Getting up in your package tray. Too bad. Trunk lid itself. Coming on down with it. Shuts good. Spot here. Bubble there. Coming on down this side. Again, lower portion first. Little spot there. Little rust back here in the back. Little chips at the bottom corner of the door. Scratch. Chips on the inside edge there. Little scuff here. Couple chips there. Back your midsection. chips on the inside of that door there. A few bubbles popping up under the vinyl top there. Spot here. Chrome on that door handle looks good. Little pitting on the mirror. Let's see where they replaced it. Spot popping up under the top there. The back. A little bit there. Front windshield in pretty good shape. Trim looks good. All right, made it around. Let's go ahead and open it up, check out that interior. Buzzer works. Door panel looks great. Weather stripping, older but still good. Jams. Pretty clean. Go ahead and get this buzzer to cut off. I didn't have to give her no gas yet. Right. Coming on down with this hood. Comes down easy. Locks. Chips on that front corner. Spot right here in the middle, probably from the air cleaner. And up in this corner where it's chipped. I do appreciate you watching. Go to maplemotors.com for finance and shipping, detailed pictures. And if you hit subscribe and share this video to help me out and keep me doing these for you every day. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Later.